Hello, today I am in Target at 580 Marketplace Drive in Bel Air, Maryland. And today I'm looking for laundry sanitizer. As you can see, I am in the laundry aisle. And I'm just looking down the aisle so that you can see that on both sides of the aisle, you see all brands of laundry detergent. Specifically today, I'm looking for laundry sanitizer or stain remover. And so when I first entered this section, here is the area for the laundry sanitizer. It is right here. So as you can see, they have different brands of Lysol, Clorox, and OxyClean. They also have Clorox stain remover. And here's stain remover here as well. So you have a variety that you can choose from. And I don't know if this is everything meaning on the market, but this is what they have in Target. Today I'm in Target because I am looking for a couple of things that I am going to need for a vacation. So I'm just picking up some odds and ends. And the reason why I selected this particular store because it is large and it is in the area in which I live in. And that's the reason why I picked it today. Generally, I like to use Shout as a stain remover. I think it's a great product. And as you can see, I see the Shout here. But I don't see, like when I say stain remover, I look for something that is concentrated and it is specifically for stains. Meaning that if I have to lift out a stain that is, let's say, one spot on a shirt, then that's what I like to do. So, just looking in this area, I do see something up here, which is a stain fighting liquid, and it's in a gel, which is great. I like a gel because it will stay on that stain until it is actually washed out. So it wasn't very difficult finding this area because it is off the main aisle to the right on the back wall of the store. And as you can see, the whole aisle reaches to the back of the store, and it also comes on the other side of this aisle. I would say the layout of this aisle is pretty good. As you can see, there's other products that you can buy when it comes to laundry. If you're needing to. Again, there are different types of laundry detergents that are within this aisle as well. But I know today we are concentrating on, let's say, stain removers. I think the layout again is very organized. I just look back here. Here's some other things that are what we call environmental friendly. I don't see anything in here for, let's say, well, this one says it fights stains, but it is not what I call an actual stain remover. But here's something here which I would say is a deep cleaner. They also have something for sensitive skin. So going back down the aisle, again, the sanitizers and stain removers are here. And again, the one that I like is the Shout. And I think today it is on sale. So this is what I'll be purchasing today because it is the brand that I generally use. So I'll be looking at the purchasing that stain remover for today. As far as laundry sanitizers, I don't need any of that because I purchased that last week. So we'll go with this one up here. As I said, it is the Shout stain remover. Again, I like it because it is the gel, and as you can see, it takes out heavy stains, and it is on sale today. I don't think that there's anything that I would improve regarding this shopping trip today. Again, because of where it's located, very easy to find what you're looking for. Again, I don't know that this is everything that they have as far as stain removers are concerned and or laundry detergents or laundry sanitizers, I should say, as far as, their selection. But it's a pretty good selection here. So with that said, I'm going to end my video for today.